How to add clickable link in Instagram Reel. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, you can open up your Instagram application and set up a reel. When you head over to check out the description option and you paste the reel, you see that it is blank like any other caption. When it's supposed to be clickable link, it should actually be highlighted. This is because currently Instagram does not allow users to directly add a clickable link within Reels. So what you can do about is you can actually insert a link like this and you can write in link in bio. After that, you can actually head over, then add the link in the bio itself. To do so, tap on the profile icon at the bottom, then click on Edit Profile. From here, you will see the option of bio. Right here, just go ahead and post the link you copied and tap on the tick mark icon. After which, the person can just tap on the link and they'll be redirected to the website or where they are supposed to. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.